Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a beautiful crochet earring with a beautiful and a very unusual embellishment. Yes, these are wooden buttons. We are going to embellish our earring with these. Other than these, we will require some cotton thread, a crochet hook, this is a 1.75 mm, an ear wire, and of course a pair of scissors. So let's begin. As usual, we will start with a slip knot, but we will keep a long tail which we will need at the end of the work, approximately 6 inches. So here we have made a slip knot and now we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now join to the first chain with a slip stitch, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a slip stitch. Now chain 3 and we will start working double crochets into this chain, into this ring. So this chain 3 we will count it as 1 DC. So now we are going to make 15 more DCs into this ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a DC. Now we have made 2 DCs. This way we are going to make a total of 16 DCs. And 16. So we have made 16 double crochets, which means first 3 chain which counts as a DC and then 15 double crochets into the ring. Now we will join with the third chain with a slip stitch. Now we are going to work a row of single crochets. We will be making 2 single crochets into each stitch. Chain 1, 1 and into the same stitch 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. In this manner we are going to work an entire row of single crochets. At the end we will have 32 single crochets. So friends, here we have finished 32 single crochets and we will be joining it on the first single crochet with a slip stitch. Now we are going to finish it off with the last row. The last row we are going to work only into the back loops. We normally work into these 2 loops. But for the edge, we are going to work only into the back loop. So let's begin the last row. Chain 1 and a slip stitch into the back loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop and draw through the line. Again chain 1, insert the hook into the back loop and work a slip stitch. Chain 1 and a slip stitch in the back loop. Again chain 1 and into the back loop. So like this we are going to complete this row working in the back loops only. So here we have finished this entire row of the edge of 1 slip stitch and a chain. Now we are going to attach the ear wire. We have inserted the hook into the loop. And now we are going to make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again pull up a loop, pull it tight and cut off the thread. Now we are going to fix the button on this, like this. But before stitching the button, I would like to use some fabric glue to fix the button so that it stays intact. Place it very carefully Now with the help of a tapestry needle, I'm going to make a few stitches. I'm sorry that I left a very small tail at the end. Please guys, remember to leave a little longer tail so that you can tie a knot easily. Anyways, I have done it. Now cut the extra thread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Also let me know in the comment section if you have any ideas for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.